Hey there, how's it going? And good to see you. I was going to do this via live stream on Facebook, but couldn't get the Wi-Fi to work properly here at the hotel. Now, in case you didn't see my pictures, I'm actually down in the Bahamas on spring break. Supposed to be vacation with my wife and my youngest and her college roommate, and we're down here at the Atlantis in the Bahamas. I'll show you the view out the window here in a moment. But I'm in the hotel room. As you know, I love working. I can't get away from it much. But I have spent some time fishing and goofing off a little bit. It's been fun. But catching up on some special work today. And wanted to let you know that the OSA Workshop registration is open for you, March 18th and 19th. So you can go to craigproctorcoaching.com. And under schedule and events, you'll see it right there. It says Platinum OSA Workshop. And you can register right there for this live stream event. Okay, it's live stream. What that means is that you don't have to get on a plane. You don't have to rent hotels. You can just go to your office on March 18th and at 10 a.m. Eastern Time, click the live stream link, and boom, you're connected, and we'll be off to the races. Okay, it's $200. Okay, for this training event, and it is eligible for Proctor Bucks. So if you've won any Proctor Bucks recently, you can use those to pay for it. Now, some Platinum members have asked me, hey, why do I have to pay for this? Blah, blah, blah. Well, this is, we'll call it extra training and coaching, not just for members, but for your agents as well. And we know how difficult it is sometimes being training your sales team and your OSAs and that sort of thing. So we believe this has helped, and it's requested by members. And again, it's extra training and coaching for you and your sales team, your agents. And these workshops have become very popular. We do about 2 or 3 of them a year, and we've been told that it's the best sales team training that we do for Platinum members and their agents. Again, the best sales team training. Okay, so go to craigproctorcoaching.com, pull off the agenda, and check it out. Before I flip the camera around and show you what's going on down here where I am, you can see a little bit out the window right there. March 18th and 19th, here's how it's going to work. When you go to craigproctorcoaching.com and you register, and your credit card's going to get whacked for a couple $100, okay? And then you're going to get an invitation to join a private closed group on Facebook, a private closed Facebook group. And at the closed group, I'm going to show you where to pull down the materials for this OSA workshop. There will be lots of new materials and things that we haven't done before at previous OSA workshops, okay? If you're new around here and you don't know what a Platinum OSA workshop is, you're going to have to trust me that it's really good. And I know it sounds crazy, but for the sake of time on a video, go pull the agenda down. And imagine yourself, as you're reading over the agenda, that you just joined my real estate sales team, which was a pretty good mirror image of Craig Proctor's real estate sales team, because I'm a really good copier. Okay, that's about my claim to fame there. I'm just good at copying. So, you're just joined my team. Now what? Okay, well, I would spend literally about 3 full days at the end of the month with all of the new agents that join my team and train them on every aspect of the system that we use to convert buyers and sellers into lifetime customers. Okay, and it took 3 full days to go through this training. So about 15 years ago, I was talking to Craig Proctor on the phone, and he asked me, what I was doing or something that was going on. I forget the exact nature of the conversation, but I said, I was getting ready to train my team and told him what I was doing. And he said, hey, why don't you do that for all of the Platinum members? And I'm like, you know what, that's a great idea. So we put it together, and we've been doing these Platinum OSA workshops ever since. And they've well outgrown our ability to be able to put these together in one place in the country. And do a great job on it. So we've kind of graduated to doing these by live stream, and that's where we are today. So additional coaching and training for you and your sales team on sales team training. Pretending that you had just joined my team, now what? Okay, That's what you're going to get here. So go to craigproctorcoaching.com, pull the agenda down, you check it out, and you decide if you believe this is good for you. I know that it is, and I promise you I won't disappoint. I'm going to lead the way on this one for those 2 full days. And again, when you register, you're going to get invited within a day or two after you register. You're going to get invited to a private closed group on Facebook where all of the details about the live stream will be available, as well as the materials that you're going to need for this event. You can pull down off the coaching site. We'll put them there for you, okay? All right. So I told you I was on spring break down here. I know it sounds weird, but I'm not a big vacation guy, as you know. It's not that I go and just lay out by the pool and and drink pina coladas till I pass out or something like that. That's not me. But I've got my softball cap on here and my one of my favorite fishing shirts. And I spent the last couple of days, though, doing some fly fishing at an island about 15 minutes from here by plane on Andros with my fly rod, catching some bonefish. That was a blast. Been on my bucket list for a long time, so really appreciate doing that. I want to thank Mark Gastineau for hosting the Platinum Advanced Lead Conversion webinar yesterday and talking about texting and getting those members, those prospects that weren't answering the telephone, send them a text, maybe they engage, and having some conversations about that. That seems to be working pretty well. And I actually got that from Craig when he was calling back the leads on Facebook that he was generating. And yes, that's working really well to get some additional engagements for those people that just aren't answering the telephone. So I want to thank Mark again for doing that. That's a tough thing to do, get on a webinar for an hour and work with anyone that you can't see and monologue and keep people engaged. It's pretty tough. I know I've been doing them for a long time, and I'm still learning. So anyway, but down here, I like to read and catch up on work, and I've gotten a lot done in the last few days, probably more than I would have back in the office. But I'll be back there in a couple of days. Let me show you here out my door. If you've never been to the Atlantis, I'm gonna get a bit darker in the picture here, but you'll be able to see the background. If you've never been here, this place is cool, man. I can't really zoom in because I'm doing this on my laptop, but that's one of the cool little water slides down there called the Leap of Faith, and some more water slide stuff in the back. But I think we've been down here. This may be my 4th time over the years. Let me flip the camera around, try not to drop it. That would suck right now. I dropped that off the balcony, but you can see that's pretty crazy stuff there. So, great vacation spot. But what I can't show you is this suite they call the Bridge Suite. And it's in between the 2 buildings. If you've ever seen the commercials on television, they got that bridge suite in between the 2 towers on the World Towers there. That bridge suite, they call it the Michael Jackson Suite. And it's $25,000 a night. You heard it right. $25,000 a night to stay in the Michael Jackson Bridge Suite. So for those of you that are doing really well with the Craig Proctor system, okay, you can come down here to the Atlantis and you can rent out the Bridge Suite for $25,000 a night, and I'm sure they will love you. They may even let you play in the casino with a few extra chips for doing that. All right, so there you go. There's your March 18th and 19th Platinum OSA Workshop update from right here in the Bahamas. And thanks for letting me share a little bit of what's going on here over the last couple of days with you as well. And looking forward to seeing all of you live on the live stream. And for all of you that coming to Toronto, got that going on the 1st of April. And be sure and get registered for May 2nd, 3rd, and 4th there in Anaheim at the Marketing and Money Making Summit. Biggest, most amazing event that we've ever put together. Okay, so that's it. Red-faced and all. Since I don't get out on the sun much, spend too much time behind a computer. All right, so with that, let's you get back to work. And until then, March 18th, 19th. Any questions about the OSA workshop? Just reach out to me. Platinum@toddwalters.com. You can call the office there, 678-436-8280. I think that's it, 8280. Yep. And we'll be more than happy to take care of you. Okay. All right, sounds great. You guys go have a good one now, and go serve big. Thanks. See you. Bye.